All right, so very first problem on this in-class assignment that you're working on reads as follows. So Tyler thinks that his figure has enough information to figure out the values of A and B. So that's what he thinks he can solve just based on this picture. Your job is to figure out if you agree or not with him, and then you have to explain your reasoning. All right, so let's take a look at what we do know first. Right off the bat, I notice that this line, this angle, is a straight angle. Straight angle, straight line, which means that entire angle has to equal 180 degrees. Cool, okay. We also know that that particular angle is 90 degrees. So if we subtract off that 90 degrees, we are left with 90 degrees. How wonderful. Okay, so, but at this point, all we know is that A plus B has to give you 90 degrees. The question is, do you have enough information to move forward from here? Well, you could try and get out your protractor to measure these two angles, but you don't know if the picture is drawn to scale or not. So you don't know if the protractor is actually going to work. So your safest bet would be to find some sort of numerical way to solve for them. However, there is no way you can actually know the angle measure of these two with the information provided. You can guess, you can estimate probably B is a little less than 45 and A is a little more, something like that, but you cannot actually find the actual measure of A and B based on just the information that you are given. So, question, do you agree with Tyler? You should say no. And then when you explain your reasoning, you can go ahead and explain what we just did in the video. If you need to, you may rewind and listen to what I'm saying, and then go ahead and write that down, assuming you actually understand it. I don't want you just copying things blindly because I will not be able to help you on the test. You need to be able to do this on your own.